List separator is so essential part of any language that most of us don't even think what to use. Where you may find it. Let's take a VLOOKUP formula. It expects 3 or 4 entry parameters separated by commas. So for the language you are using, comma is list separator. You may be surprised, but there is also another option available in the world, a semicolon. Moreover, if you are going to check out the globe, you may see that the world is separated into 2 equal parts by this criterion. If you are coming from the green country, you are using semicolon. From blue one, just commas. Why it's important to use right list separator in Excel? Easy. If you are using it incorrectly, you will receive this kind of error. And you will need to change a list separator to proceed with calculation. It will not allow you to do any changes. What to do if you have received personal computer with list separator you are not used to? Let's learn how to change it. First, you need to open the control panel, find clock and region. Now you would like to go to change data, time or number format. Next, in the menu you need to go to advanced settings. And in another menu, on numbers tab, change value for list separator. That's it. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Stay subscribed not to miss new videos. Cheers!